Welcome to Ayuda Flex. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to commence your flex work assignments after the customer has accepted your offer. Begin by opening the Ayuda app on your device. Once it's launched, look for the Flex menu tab located at the bottom navigation bar. Tap on it to get started. Within the Flex menu, you'll find the Active Ayudas tab at the top navigation bar. Tap on this tab to view your ongoing Flex assignments. Scroll up slightly within the Active Ayudas section to find your newly assigned work. You'll see it listed there. Tap on it to access the details of the request. Once you've reviewed the details of the work assigned, you can chat or call the customer for any clarifications or updates. To know the directions to the work location or site, tap Get Direction after you've arrived at the work location and are ready to start. Simply tap on the Commence Work button on the detail page. Alternatively, tap on the three-dot options icon for the pull-up option menu and select Commence Work. A confirmation pull-up will appear, indicating that you are about to mark this task as commenced. You can add any necessary notes if needed. Tap the Commence Work button to confirm your action. If you change your mind, tap on Dismiss to cancel the commencement. That's it. You've successfully commenced your flex work assignment on the Ayuda app. This makes the process efficient and transparent for both you and the customer. If you have any further questions or require assistance, please contact our support team. Best of luck with your work, and thank you for choosing Ayuda.